Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can go to drafts on your Instagram account. It's a pretty simple process, so make sure you follow through till the end. And yeah, this is how you can do it. So first thing you're gonna do is go to Instagram and I'll show you how you can create a draft, which means it'll be easier for you to find it once that's done. So let's say you want to post a story, just click on a photo that you want to post. Click on next, and once you're satisfied, and let's say at the end moment you are not satisfied and you don't want to post this, piece of content, all you do is click on the back button, click on back again, and it'll give you an option wherein you can save this as a draft. Once you've saved it as a draft, you can see right here just beside recents, once you tap on the plus symbol on the bottom corner, just click on drafts. Now these were the two posts that I didn't post eventually, but you can just tap on them, click on next, and complete the process. Once I click on share on the top right corner, that post will now be posted and it will no longer be saved as a draft. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can go to drafts on your Instagram account. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.